Meaning of family practitioner.
Family practitioner.
Family practitioner.
Family practitioner.
Family practitioner. A family practitioner is a type of doctor who provides primary healthcare services to individuals and families. They are trained in various medical specialties, including pediatrics, internal medicine, and obstetrics. Family practitioners focus on preventing diseases, diagnosing and treating illnesses, managing chronic conditions, and promoting overall wellness. They typically see patients of all ages and backgrounds, from infants to elderly adults, and work in outpatient settings such as clinics or private practices. Family practitioners play a critical role in delivering comprehensive and coordinated care to their patients.